Well, our first big snowstorm of the season throughout western Massachusetts brought heavy snow along with some gusty winds. 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Adam Strumko working for you with how that can be dangerous.
The snow that fell Wednesday night into Thursday was a light powdery snow that really piled up across western Massachusetts. But in addition to the snow, there were also some gusty winds that blew the snow around, reducing visibility and causing the snow to drift. And the cold and wind can be dangerous when you're out clearing the snow. When you're snow blowing, the wind can blow the snow in your face, making it difficult to see what you're doing.
Terrible, because you end up with it all in your face. But you try to blow in whatever direction the wind is blowing in. Blow it in that direction and keep it low instead of bringing it way up in the air.
Also, the wind chill factor Thursday morning made it feel like it was only in the single digits. So when you're out shoveling or snow blowing in the cold and wind, it's important to dress in layers and to wear a hat and gloves to prevent getting frostbite. I'm 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Adam Strumko.